Mi mette che ce l'hai staccato, mi dice che è proprio 3 e niente, l'avete chiamato, non era così, esatto.
Mira la cámara. Ya viene. Cálmate, deja de llorarme. Si sé lo que querís.
¿Quiere que le dé leche?
Sí. Ah.
Cântă. Și pleacă.
Îți sare la ochi terminul. Nu știu dacă e. Dă-i încă. Nu. Stai cu minte, ce dă-i tu încă aici. Eu plec de aici, că mă sperie.
Ты хрен видишь снимай.
jumping at me.
Yeah, jump here.
She will jump down.
Oh, she's gonna jump down.
Otherwise, she will break her neck.
Yeah, then you have to pay for it. You have to pay for a doctor. She's so used to it now. She got it. See? She totally got it. She gets it. She gets it now. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, she has blue eyes.
She's beautiful, man. Sim, you're so lucky to have her.
Take it.
You
Take it
should,
home.
you should totally
Take it home,
just feed her.
Sam, take it home.
What's wrong with you?
Take it home. Yo, take it home.
I don't think I can deal with cats. They're just too snobby, you know? Cats are a bit too snobby, aren't they? Jonathan, you take it home.
No.
Then you have 3 cats.
I have 2 dogs already.
Your brother can have 3 cats. So she don't have to be lonely.
Oh.
She can join
Yeah, sure. You want to jump in?
she can join your brother's family. Oh, imagine if you have her home, then the 2 dogs is totally going to gang up on her. She'd be like a little sister. She'd be like a little sister, right? Hey.
What's this for? The neck.
Oh, that's rubber band, nothing.
Why they put it there?
Yeah, cats are really smart. Smart cats. BB. BB.
Jeez.
So tiny.
Oh.
Ooh.
Lucky no nail.
Feisty. Feisty little one. Ooh, she's trying to bite you.
She spit.
She's like, you're not gonna gang up on me. You're not gonna bullshit me around. She know when you try to play her. It's like, don't test me. She's 4 weeks old and she's like, she already know how to say that. Don't test me. Even cats are not tests. Oh, she's biting on your couch, Sam. She's biting on your couch.
She wanna go down.
She's biting on your couch.
What?
Wow. So amazingly. You put cute kitten, you know, if you put cute kitten on YouTube, you automatically it's like 100,000 hits, you know that? Totally. Cute kitten. Oh, BB, BB, Is she gonna jump?
Hold it. She go down.
Whoa! You okay? You okay, baby?
Now she's
You alright?
gonna cry.
Oh no, you're gonna cry. You're not gonna cry, you little one. No, she's strong. She got strong spirit.
She got, now she only has 5 9 now.
She got a strong spirit. She's not gonna cry. She's like, hell no. She's a winner, right? You're a winner. She ain't gonna cry. Whoa. What you gonna do? You gonna climb on me?
Showing your dick.
You're disgusting, man. Sick bastard. Why are you so sick? It's like, don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. New baby kitten. It's like, don't mess with me. I know who you
Give her
are.
some chicken.
See,
I don't want to give her anything.
yeah, feed her some chicken.
Just one bite. See what happens.
So much energy in
Take one
her.
bite.
It's
Just
almost
give
like
her
a
one.
miracle.
Just give her one chicken. Little one. Let me see.
You
Let me
got
see how
it.
she eat.
Yeah,
Just like
give her the chicken.
tiny one. Just tiny one.
I wonder if she know what this is.
She don't know what it is.
You are such a strong girl. You totally got my respect, baby. You totally got my respect. Oh. Just put her on the floor. She's hungry.
Oh shit, she eat that shit. Wow. Damn, she eat that.
Of course she's gonna eat.
Why?
She's like, I only eat chicken. Don't feed me no cat food. Don't feed me no cat food. So I'm not playing. I only like the good stuff. Yeah. I only like the good stuff, right?
Chicken
Is that what you're saying?
tastes good. That's flavor.
Is that what you're saying? You only like the good stuff? She's like, I want quality. I want quality.
Yeah, how long is it record, man?
Nothing less.
Can you finish? You gonna finish on your geek?
Get